Hello, my dear students of UKG. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping good at home. I welcome you all to the new academic session of DPSG. My name is Shatabdi ma'am and I'll be taking your maths class. Okay, students? So all of you take out your book. This is your maths book. So all of you take out your book and open page number 5. Today we are going to start with Unit 1 revision. Okay? So let's start. All of you focus on the board. Our first topic is bigger and smaller. Okay? So students, what you can see on the board, there are two umbrellas. This is umbrella 1 and this is umbrella 2. First umbrella and second umbrella. So see, when we have two objects, object 1, object 3. Okay? So when we have two objects of unequal sizes, that means its sizes are not equal. Okay? So we say like this. This is the bigger one and this is the smaller one. I repeat, when we have two objects that are not equal in sizes, okay? So the first object is the bigger one and the second object is the smaller one. Big, small. Okay? So the first umbrella is bigger than the second umbrella. Or we can say like this, the second umbrella is smaller than the first umbrella. Okay? Now everyone, see page number 5 exercise. See, here what you have to do, you have to tick the bigger object in each of the group. So there are 4 groups and you have to tick only the bigger object. Okay? The first one has been done for you. This is the bigger one. So we have to tick under this. Okay? In the given box. Now see the next one. What you can see here? Two animals. This is an elephant and this is a rabbit. So which one is the bigger one? Elephant. So tick in this box. Okay. Next. A duck and a mouse. Which one is bigger? Duck. So tick in this box. Now see this one. Watermelon and banana. Which one is bigger? Watermelon. So tick in this box. Okay. Now see page number 6. Now in page number 6, you have to cross the smaller object in each group. You have to cross the smaller object. So what you can see here? A bird, a sparrow and a peacock. So which one is the smaller one? Sparrow. So we have to cross in the given box. We have to cross the sparrow because the sparrow is the smaller one. Okay? Next. Pineapple, apple. A pineapple and an apple. Which one is the smaller object? An apple. So, cross it. Next. A bus and a car. Which one is the smaller one? Car. So, cross it. Next. Horse, dog. Dog is the smaller one. So cross it. Next, a big house and a cottage. Here, the cottage is the smaller one. So, cross it. Next, a fish and a dolphin. Here, this fish is the smaller one. So, cross it. Understood? Our next topic is taller and shorter. Okay? So, when we have two objects of unequal heights, this is their height. Okay? So, we have here coconut tree and a mango tree. Okay? So, when we have two objects that are not equal in heights, then we can say one object is taller and the other one is shorter. So here what we can see, the coconut tree is taller than the mango tree, or we can say like this, the mango tree is the shorter one or shorter than the coconut tree. Clear? Now all of you see the exercise. See page number 7 everyone. Taller and shorter. Tick the taller object. So here we have to take the taller object and cross the shorter object in each group. So in this first picture we see that this boy is shorter. So we have to cross in the box for this boy. And this man is taller. So we have to tick in this box for this man. Okay? Taller, tick. Shorter, cross. Next. What we can see here? A coconut tree and a plant. Which one is taller? Coconut tree. So tick here. Plant is shorter. So cross it. Next. Giraffe and zebra. Giraffe is taller. So tick it. Zebra is shorter. So cross it. Okay? This tick is for giraffe and this cross is for zebra. Next. Camel and dog. Camel is taller. Tick it. Dog is shorter. So cross it. Next. This is a building and this is a cottage. So building is taller. So tick it. And this cottage is shorter. So cross it. Now see the last one. A tower and a signal post. So which one is taller? This tower. So tick it. And signal post is shorter. So cross it. Clear? The next concept is wider and narrower. When we have two things of unequal sides, these are sides. Okay, these are sides. So it means their sides are not equal. Then one of this is wider and the other one is narrower. I repeat, when we have two things that are not equal in sides. Okay, so one of these is wider and the other one is the narrower one. Okay, now see, there are two blackboards. In the first blackboard, what we can see the sides are not so closer. And in the second blackboard, the sides are closer. Sides are not closer and sides are closer. Okay? So this is wide and this is narrow. Or we can say like this, the first blackboard is wider than the second blackboard and the second blackboard is narrower than the first blackboard. Clear? Tick the wider and cross the narrower in each group. So, you can see the sides are not so close and here the sides are close. This is wider, so tick it, and this is narrower, so cross it. Okay? Next. See the railway tracks? Here the sides are not closer, so this is wider. Tick it. Here the sides are closer, so this is narrower. Cross it. Understood? So students, I hope you have understood today's class. So what I have taught you today, you have to practice this at home as well. Okay students? So see you in the next class. Till then, bye bye everyone and take care.